Good morning guys, how you doing? Right, uploading last night's video. Just try and keep that window out the way. Yeah, I'm just uploading last night's video. Currently on, got focus. Focus. Wait, is this up? Right, it doesn't even matter. Right, it's on 21%, 4 minutes remaining. So, and today, it's going to be pretty fun. I'm off out with a couple of my mates. We're off on a bike ride, so that'll be fun for you lot. Next clip will either be me getting dressed or heading off to my mate. Right guys, I'm all ready. So I'm gonna head off in a minute. It's pretty windy. I've got a Facebook message. So I'm all ready now. Just gonna get the bike. Right guys, I'm all ready now. So I'm gonna go on the bike and I'm going to go to my friends to go pick him up. Right guys, just got to Marcus's.
Hey boys.
We're off on a nice little bike ride now. He's just gonna sort out his little puppies. So that's what we're gonna do now, and then yeah, we don't know what's happening after that. Right guys, we've came out now. We're on the bikes, just chilling at a little place, and something's up with Max's bike. We don't know what, but we're gonna make it soon. So that's something to look forward to. Right guys, we've just had our Macca's. Minutes I'll with the film. Just had the Macca's. I've had a chili chicken wrap. He had a fat drink. He had a fat drink, and now we're going to wherever we're going, and yeah, I'll film when the next come. Guys, we're in a forest. We don't know where we are, so we're kind of lost. Oh wait, no, we're not. Found Marcus knows where we are. Probably can't even hear us, so I don't even know where I'm vlogging. Right guys, we're in our local spa. Don't know what we're gonna get. We're gonna get some drink. Might get iced tea. Not very drunk. Don't know. You know, I might just get a tropical juice. Very smooth. Probably. My own patch kind of like one. It's dead deer though. Yeah. It's dead deer. Well, is it? £2. Right, I'm getting bullied by Max's dog. Yeah, we're just waiting for a new person. We're waiting for our friend Arta. He's Polish. So we don't know where we're going to go after that. But we're just chilling at Marcus's now. So I'm just having a little cuddle with Marcus's dog. So cute. So that's what we're going to do. Right guys, this is the worst moment of my entire life. Right there, yeah. Getting a hold of a load of lasses and just annoying them and trying them to get with me and all sorts like that. That is everything that he has said. Probably can't even see it, but I hate my life so bad. Why is he doing this to me? It's not fair. Guys, I'm getting bullied still. It's not fair. My phone's dead and I can't do it back to him. And he's got a girlfriend as well. Right guys, earlier we said there was Arta coming with us. He's not now. We've got someone else called Aaron. So we're gonna get him to come with us. So we decided now, and then we're gonna go. We don't know where we're going yet. Go. Yeah. Right, guys. Nice little ending to the day. That beautiful, beautiful sun. Right, guys. I'm gonna end my vlog here. Today's been pretty cool. Really tiring. Like, subscribe to my channel. Say hi to Poppy. Say hi to Mum. And I will catch you a lot in my next video.